He's showing off. You always try like that.
Yeah, I've only flown like this in a simulator. I'd be too scared in real life.
When he doesn't fly like this, it's too much to fly.
Those TikToks are fun. That's the only 3D trick I've ever done. I've done a few TikToks and.
I tried on simulator and that didn't work out because
People do this in real helicopters? That'd be
No.
that's why we got this, right?
No, real helicopters with the reinforced blades, the best you can do is a very wide loop. Because you'll get the blades will just bend and hit the tail boom and you're gonna die.
We can mow the grass.
Yeah.
Oh man, sick. Okay, I gotta get back into this, man. I really miss it so bad. Yeah.
It's almost too much. I want to see it fly around. There we go.
Yeah. I always like the 3D flying a lot better when it's mixed up with some sport flying as well, you know? So you get to...
Did you say earlier 3D flying? That's what you're doing?
yeah, that's I guess the technical name. Yeah.
I feel sick just imagining being in something like that.
Oh, my nephew, when he saw it for the first time, he went back into the van and sat and waited there. He was too scared when he flew like that.
Well, it sounds scary, man. All those sounds.
That was fantastic.
I've heard of a